Welcome to Hybrique, an AI-powered platform for electronic product design and development. Our intelligent BOM tool is a fully secured AI-powered platform for creating a bill of material from your CAD model. Our plugin integrates seamlessly with different CAD software. As you are designing on your CAD software, our platform processes your requirements from your schematic. Learning from your history, interaction, and market trends, our deep learning network makes an informed and personalized recommendation of optimal parts, part numbers, manufacturers, and price. You can also select multiple filters, from the recommended ones by the software to refine your search process. Users can set their preferred suppliers and manufacturer, to get personalized recommendations from their supplier's database. As you iterate your design, your BOM gets automatically updated with a new version number. Our tool then compares all these versions and suggests the best ones. You can customize your BOM as per your requirements and can also invite your colleagues to collaborate in real time. Our AI-powered platform completes this highly manual and time-consuming task, with a single click. Join us in the revolution of product creation today.